Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can create different type of website like this. You can see it is a beautiful blog kind of website, or you can create a website like this which is a semi blog and where you are also offering your services or selling your courses. Here you can feature your clients, testimonials, reviews, and here's a link to your courses, here's a link to your blogs, or you can have a simple website service offering where your customer can fill information here like this, their details, and then contact you, or you can contact them. Or you can have a full-fledged e-commerce stores like this where you can sell anything online. Your customers can do everything like they do on any other normal e-commerce website. They can select a product like this and then they can add it to their cart, and finally go here and do the complete the checkout process. So you can decide what kind of website you want, but to create any type of website you will need to have three important things. First is your domain name. Like my domain name is basically your website name. Like my website name is smarthelpguides.com. Second thing is your hosting, where all your images and data will be stored. And third thing is a software. For example, we will using for this tutorial, we will use WordPress, which is completely free. And for domain and hosting, you will have to spend $50 for 12 months. So it's quite cheap, and for by paying annually you will get a great discount and you will be stress free. You do not have to worry about buying domain and paying fees every month. So let's learn first how to create our basic website, and then we will decide what kind of website design we want. If we want to create a blog or a service kind of website or an e-commerce store. Just like to get the best deal on domain and hosting, you will have to visit my website. The link will also be in the description, smarthelpguides.com/create website in 2021. So from the video description you can click on the link and you will see this page. From here, either you can click on the banner or you can click copy this coupon code. Just click on any of this option and you will see a page like this where the automatically the best coupon code or discount available will be applied to your cart. So you'll not have to do anything extra. Just click on the banner or this link given here. Okay, and here we are going to buy the standard web hosting because this is the most easiest to manage, and you can host multiple websites on this. So it's not like if you want to start a second website, let's say you have your first website is an e-commerce store, you also want to have a second blog, so you'll not have to pay hosting again. If you buy this plan, you would just need to buy a domain name next time. Okay, and you get this 30 days money back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied with this service, you can always ask for a refund. They have this free SSL certificate for which many hosting companies will charge you extra. So this is a great deal, and then simply click on buy now. From here, you will have to first register your domain. For example, um, my name. Then click on this question mark here and it will search and see if this domain name is available. So if it is already registered, you cannot register and you will have to search for a different name. So let's say for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to change the extension to my new store.site and see if this is available. So you can see this is available, but for your personal blogs or website, I would recommend you to go with the .com extension. It you will have to pay $2 or $3 extra per year, but it is worth it as .com is the most popular one. And while there's the first year registration for other extension may be less, but when their renewal fees is very high, so I would recommend you to go with the .com extension only. Then click on this yes, and then click on continue. Okay, so then you will have to register and create an account here. So simply fill your email ID and your password you want to create for your account, bestwpguides@gmail.com, and then your password here. Okay, and then you will click on this I agree to the terms of service, and then click on create account and continue. Since I already have an account with this, So I will click on login existing and log into my account. And then okay, so after creating an account, you will see on screen like this. Just click on continue, and here you will see a breakdown of all the charges. So for example, for 1 month hosting they are charging $2.5, and for domain registration $5, with privacy $5. And I would recommend you to here in the billing interval select the 30 months 12 months, because it cost you only $30. And if you go for if you select 1 month or 6 months plan, you will have to pay higher renewal fees. So I would always recommend you to go with the best, cheapest plan available. So that will be the 12 months plan. Okay. Just for the tutorial, I will buy only 1 month hosting because I do not need this hosting. I'm just buying it for the tutorial purpose. So here you can also change the currency if it is available, and please enable this option. This $5 is really worth it, because without this anyone can look up your personal info, personal contact info, address, mobile number, email address. So I would recommend you please buy this, who is privacy. Okay, and then you will have to select your payment method here, and then click on this. So select, you can, if you have PayPal, you can select this here and then click on place order, or if you have a, you want to pay with your card here, you can also select this option. So I will pay with my card and then show you the next. After completing the payment, you will see a screen like this, and all your account details will be sent to you via email. In your email inbox, you will see get a lot of emails from InterServer regarding the payment and the services you have purchased. So the two important emails we need to focus on is this, with the subject new websites activated. So let's first click on this, and here you will see all the information regarding the login panel. So then click on this cPanel login information URL, and from here copy the username and password also. Then log in to cPanel. Click on login. Okay, the first thing we will do after logging into cPanel is to change our login password. First go here, then go to password and security, and from here you will have to put the old password here, and then let's change our password. Use the password generator and generate a random password. Copy it and then click on use. Then click on change your password now. So you will have to log in again. Then click on login again. So if you are using any password manager, you can save it in your password manager. Now let's install WordPress to create our website. Okay. So for this, just scroll down, and in the software section here, you will see WordPress Manager by Soft Atlas. So just click on it, and here click on install. Here just keep this thing at default, and we will change all this information later. And here this is the important part. In the admin username, create whatever username you would prefer, and here in the admin email ID, enter your Gmail ID or whatever email ID you have access to, because right now our custom domain email ID is not activated, and I will teach you how to do it later. So I will put my bestwpguides@gmail.com. You can change the language if you want. We do not need all this stuff right now. So we do not want these themes. So then also put your email ID here, bestwpguides@gmail.com. Then click on install. So this installation process will take few seconds, and you just saw it is complete. And I have not even fast forwarded the video. So the server is really great and it's fast. You can see how. Let's visit our website and see if it is working. You may see a screen like this, and it is because we just registered a domain. So the DNS servers do not know that this name website exists. So you will have to wait like 20-30 minutes. So let's wait till our website becomes accessible, and then I will show you the next steps. Before our website becomes accessible, there is one more important thing we have to do. is go to your inbox, and there will be another email address, and there will be an email from enter server with subject verification required. So just click on it, then click on the link given in the email to ensure that your domain gets verified and it will remain active. So just click on this link. Okay, sorry. You'll have to click on the second link. So here you will see that please verify your contact information. If the verification is not complete, this domain will be suspended. Here you will see your contact information for the domain server. So make sure the everything is correct here and then click on verify information. Okay, so it's really simple. Your contact information is verified and that's it. So I took a break of 30 to 40 minutes and now the website has started working. I will refresh it to show you. Okay, so you can see the website is loading and this is a basic WordPress website. After this, we can decide what kind of website we want, what kind of design we want. So now we can decide if we want to create this kind of blog kind of website or this kind of website or the website I have shown you before, this one or the full e-commerce store website. So on this basic foundation, we can create any type of website. Okay. So before doing that, let's do some cleaning and basic setup. For this, let's first log into the dashboard area. Okay, so to control this website and edit this website, you will have to log into the WordPress dashboard. For this, add after your domain name slash WP admin. Sorry, WP hyphen admin. Okay. You will also see this link in the installation here. This is the link. And here you will have to enter the username and password which we created before while installing. So after entering your username and password, click on remember me and then click on login. You can save the password if you want. Okay. And here, this is the WordPress dashboard. From here, you can create posts. By clicking here, you can create pages here and everything. And I will show you all the basic functions to advanced functions about WordPress. Okay, so basic first, let's do some cleanup. And for this, go to settings here, go to general. And here, set a title for your blog. For example, I will select my new store. And tagline, this is a demo store for my YouTube channel. Okay, and this is my tagline I have selected. So right now we are not using any SSL certificate, and Google is showing Chrome or any other browser will show it as not secure. So first we will fix that also. So let's click on save changes, and now let's go back to the control panel. Go to the installation area here, and here click, you will see the control panel option. And I will also show you how you can access this control panel in other ways. So you can log into the inter-server area, dashboard area. So here the home screen will look like this. Okay, from here go to this web hosting. Click here, and here you will see the web hosting product connected to your account. Then click on the settings icon. Here you will see all the details about your web server, with the web server IP, panel, and everything, the default DNS servers. So here is another option to log into cPanel, and this will automatically log into the cPanel. Okay. So here from here you can also, if you want to migrate website, you can place a request here, download backups and other stuff here. And from your, okay, let's go back to the cPanel and let's fix the SSL certificate issue. So right now here you can see in this there is no valid certificate. So click on this icon, this wrench icon, and here it will show that okay, this is not working. So let's run this auto SSL first. So this should automatically install and activate the SSL certificate. Okay, till the auto SSL is working, let's go to the WordPress dashboard and fix some other things. Okay, so from here, go to permalinks and make sure you select change it to post name. So the website URL will look like this, properly structured and easy to read. Then click on save changes and go to posts here, all post, and we will delete this to crash, apply. So let's check cPanel if the SSL progress is complete. Installation, sorry. So you can see the after running auto SSL, all the domains have been issued a certificate, valid certificate. So now let's go back to the home here, and now the primary domain has a valid certificate. Now let's try to visit our website from here on HTTPS. So you can see now we can access the website over HTTPS, connection is secure, and the error which was here before, now it is not showing. Okay, so now let's again, you can also go back to the WordPress dashboard from here. Okay, so from here again, go to settings, general, and here change it to HTTPS. Okay, and do this only after the SSL certificate is working. Then click on save changes. Now still if you see an error or anything, now let's visit our website. So it is working properly and it is quite fast. So our basic setup of WordPress website is complete, and now we will have to decide what kind of website we want to create. Okay. So for this, I will create a part 2 of this video or a series of these videos. So you from the description, you can check the links to other videos. So if you want to create this kind of blog kind of website, then the link will be different. And if you want to create this e-commerce type of website, the video link will be different, since I will have to create multiple video tutorials to explain different type of design and theme. The links to the next tutorials will be in the description, and they should also be at the end of the video, so you may click on the video from anywhere, and depending on the type of website you want to create, just click on that link and follow.